Cleaning an entire house can be overwhelming. It's a lot of work, right? From time to time, we have techs here that get overwhelmed in our clients' homes. If it's been a really long time since a home's been cleaned, it's easy to get flustered and not know where to start. From experience, I can tell you that the kitchen and the master bathroom are always the dirtiest and toughest places to clean. And our philosophy is when cleaning professionally, it's really good to get a big win right up front, and you can carry that momentum with you through the rest of the house, knowing that it's just going to get easier. If your bathroom's the dirtiest, start in the shower and work around the rest until that bathroom's done. If the kitchen's dirtier than the bathroom, maybe you cook a lot, you have a chef in the house, start at the stove and work around left or right until the entire kitchen's clean, and then move on from there. But once you get that big win in, everything from there is going to be easier, and you have some momentum built up to get you through the rest of the house.